Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna see which spunky sound is the best. So I'm gonna rate them, okay? The first one is this guy. His name is Tweety Melon. Of course we know him. Okay, I can't even hear the sound. 0 out of 10. Black. Okay, that's actually spooky. So I'm gonna give it 5 out of 10. What about this? That is amazing. That is amazing. I love it. What is it rated out of 7 out of 10? 7 out of 10. Wait, no. Yes. Truly, I love this sound. So, I give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah. So, guys, if you want to show your rating for the sprunkis sounds, come on and comment it down, okay? Okay, that is actually same, so yeah, no. That is a 6 out of 10. Wait. Now, looker. I can hear it, but I don't really like it. So, I would just give it a 4 out of 10. Now, clucker. I like it. So, I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10. Durple from horror. Actually, I feel creepy because I don't like it. So, 1 out of 10, boys. I mean, 3 out of 10. Sorry, you Durple. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for Durple. In Sprunky, not in Horror Road, obviously. But 8 out of 10. That's gonna be a 9 out of 10, obviously. I didn't match it correctly. Actually, I give that a 7 out of 10, okay? Kinda creeped out with that sound. Where is it, Donald? That is a 7 out of 10, obviously. So, yeah. Next thing is great. This dude is truly the thriving in the horror world. I'm kind of proud of him for that, so yeah. But the sound is not good since it's not fair that he's the thriving, okay? It's the sound that needs to be rated. So the sound is, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 for that. I really like it. What? Okay, I don't know what but that's a 0 out of 10 since it doesn't even give me a voice. What is this, Jevin? I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know, guys. What is this? I don't even know what's wrong with Jevin since that is not how it works. So yeah, let's just give him a 6 out of 10. I don't hear anything, so that's a 0 out of 10. Mr. Fun Computer! Wait, what's this? What's this? That is a little bit of Mr. Computer. You can actually wobble with it. So yeah, I can actually give this a 7 out of 10. It doesn't matter because that's actually point. That is a missing sound. I like it. I give it a 7 out of 10. Ooh. I actually really like him. So I'm gonna give him a 6 out of 10. Sorry for that. I was actually dealing with someone, so yeah. Now let's go to the next boy. Mr. Tree. He's not saying anything, so I'll just give him a 2 out of 10 since it has a real person missing. But just because of its melon playground, the sign is like this. It's like this. Obviously, the missing person in the photo of Mr. Tree is real, so I don't know. I like that 9 out of 10. Already. Okay, I don't really like the heart beating from his chest, alright, because it's the heart. I'd give it a 6 out of 10, actually. It's alright. Great, that's kind of good, so I'm gonna give him a 5 out of 10. Since I don't know how the beat would be like. That is genuinely creepy. Oh, wax. I don't know why they give you. But I don't know. Is this actually from the game? All right. So I'm gonna just give it a 4 out of 10 because of the creeps it's giving me. What about Oak from Eno? It's just a little bang sound, of course. I don't know what instrument is that. But I'm gonna give it a 4 as well, because it doesn't make anything to my brain. Right? Oral. That is good! I'm gonna give it a 7. Give it a great. So yeah, that's an 8 out of 10 actually. Yes. That is good. That is good. I give you a 8 out of 10. Polo. What? Polo? Ah, yeah, it's true. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 since this is just the sprunky that just starts when it literally appears next to you. Yeah, so yeah, it's if you just select. Yeah, I was dealing with someone else. Yeah, this is a good rating, alright. So next is Polo from the normal world. That's good, that's good. But this was added, so I'm gonna just give it a 6 out of 10. It's gotta make it. If you know, oh, this. Oh, this was kind of good since you can just mix with someone else and then you get the sound, okay? I'm gonna just give it a, since it's just a sound rating, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Ratty from the normal world. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna give him the 7 out of 10. I'm gonna give this guy. Yeah, this is definitely. Of course, this is how he looks like, and I like the sound. It's a 9 out of 10. And that's good. That's good. I like it. The reason why there's 2 Simons, I saw the 2 Simons, and since I wouldn't like to buy, so that's why I got the second Simon. So yeah, that's a 10 out of 10 since I like it. What is this? Yeah, I like it. 6 out of 10. Sky from the normal world. I like it since it mixes up with the sprunkis. So yeah, of course it's a 7 out of 10. Turner. Oh yeah, that's gotta mix up with the Horror World song, of course. So yeah, I like it. It's 7 out of 10. All right. All right, that's just a little bad. Okay, I'm gonna just give him a 2. Okay, Veneria. That's kind of creepy as her eyes are really popped out. But at least it sounds okay. I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. Alright, this sound is kind of good, so I'm gonna just give it a 5 since it's not the best one all. What about this? Since I hate Linda, I would give her a small rank. A small rate, but no. Since this is a sound rate, I will give it her to a 8 out of 10 since the sound is good. What is this? I don't know, but I don't like it. 2 out of 10. Alright. We gotta go to the 3D sprunkis. Sprunkis. Just ignore what I just bought, okay? I just did was obviously name it, so yeah, just to show you this is just a red Dead Whales pack, alright? Dead Whales pack. What's this? What's this? Oh yeah, I forgot. I used. Not to talk about that much. Sprunkis. Oh, I forgot it's supposed to in this place. And where is it? At the 3Ds. Since we checked, I actually didn't give that. No, let's give. Since I already know, bruds. This is obviously the same thing, but I'm just same score. Another score. Another score. Like a 7 out of 10 in gray. I didn't mean that, okay? I didn't mean that. I can't hear it. 0 out of 10. Because I can't hear it. Of course, I don't know how much, but I'm going to give it a 7. It's well like that. Of course, I like to give it a 6. And that's a 6. Simon. Obviously, what is the sound? I like it, so that's why I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Since this is all different ratings, guys, because I don't remember my old rating, alright? Alright, I like that, so I'm going to give it an 8. Okay, that's a 0, because I can't hear it. What is that? What is that sound? That's a 2, differently. That's a 6. These are 3Ds, by the way. They can be messed up. messed up, obviously, so I don't know if that helps. But guys, I'll see you in the next video.